Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 4, and today I want to talk about something that silently stokes many people fear of judgment. Not grammar, not fluency, but the fear of what people will think. If you have ever stayed quiet because you were scared of being judged, this video is especially for you. What fear of judgment looks like. Fear of judgment doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like not raising your hand, not speaking in meanings, not posting a video you already recorded, not starting something you really want to do. We say, I'll do it later. I'm not ready. Let me improve first. But deep inside, the real reason is fear. My honest experience before recording today's video, I thought, what if people laugh at my English? What if someone comments something negative? What if my relatives or friends see this? And then I ask myself one question. Will their opinion matter more than my growth? And the answer was very clear. No. A truth we avoid. Let me say this clearly. No matter what you do, someone will judge you. If you speak, people judge. If you stay silent, people judge. If you try, people judge. If you quiet, people judge. So the question is not will people judge me? The real question is will I let that stop me? Why judge hurts so much? Judgment hurts because we want to approval. We want to be liked. We want validation. We want people to say you are doing great. But here is the truth. People who judge are usually not doing what you are doing. People who are busy improving themselves don't have time to pull down others down. English speaking and judgment. Many people don't speak English not because they don't know words, but because they are scared of reactions. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people correct me? What if sound foolish? But mistakes don't make you foolish. Fear does. Every fluent speaker you admire was once judged at some points. What I am learning on this journey is teaching me something important. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is speaking despite fear. Today I'm not fearless, but I'm still here. And that itself is progress. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to speak English confidently, but I'm scared, please remember this. People will forget your mistakes, but you will remember your regret if you never try. Your voice deserves space. Your journey deserves respect. A small mental shift that helps. Instead of asking, what will people think? Try asking, what will happen if I don't try? That question changes everything. Why I will continue posting? I don't know who is watching. I don't know who is judging. But I know why I started. And the reason is stronger than fear. This channel is my safe space to grow. And if helps even one person feel less afraid, then this journey is worth it. So, this is day 4. Fear is still here. Judgment is still possible, but I'm choosing to speak anyway. If you are also trying to overcome fear, stay with me. We are learning courage. One sentence at a time. See you tomorrow. Day 5 is waiting. So, if fear hasn't stopped you yet, comment I will try below.